Good day, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Are you a globally recognized researcher, entrepreneur, investor, or creative talent thinking about moving to Australia? Great news! The National Innovation Visa is your permanent residency pathway with no age limit. But here's the secret: state nomination can accelerate your invitation. And in this video, we're diving deep into eligibility by the three East Coast states and how this can benefit you with faster application processing against the 4 tier priority system. The National Innovation Visa, or NIV in short, is a permanent visa that allows top global talent to live and work in Australia while contributing to innovation, research, investment, and creative economies. Benefits include permanent residency, work and study rights, access to Medicare, pathway to citizenship, sponsor eligible family members, and access to government services and benefits. Now let's break down the priority order. This determines how fast your application moves through the system. Priority 1: the global elite. Applicants with top tier international awards such as Nobel Prize, Field Medals, Olympic Gold Medals, international patents and grants, earning above the Fair Work High Income threshold. Priority 2: state or territory nominated candidates. If you are nominated by a state or territory government, you're in Priority 2, a major advantage for those without a Nobel Prize. Priority 3: Tier 1 sector achievers. Industries include critical technologies, health and medical sciences, renewable and low emissions technologies. Priority 4: Tier 2 sector contributors. Industries include agri-tech, education, defense and space, fintech, resources, infrastructure, and transportation. State nomination doesn't just help you stand out, it fast tracks your expression of interest under Priority 2. It also shows the Department of Home Affairs that your work aligns with Australia's economic priorities. Under Ministerial Direction 112, applicants who are nominated by a state or territory receive the second highest priority, just below the Nobel Prize winners or other global experts. That means faster processing, quicker invitations, and a more direct pathway to permanent residency. Now let's look at the eligibility criteria for South Australia. South Australia welcomes innovators, founders, and researchers who can benefit South Australia's economy, create high value jobs, and commercialize new products or services. You can apply if you are employed or have a job offer in South Australia above the Fair Work High Income threshold. Provide a support letter from a South Australian government agency and submit your registration of interest. Key categories: global researchers and thought leaders, national research grants, patents, intellectual property ownership, publications in top journals, PhD from a top 100 university. Entrepreneurs must show commercialization plans, innovation potential, and scalability. Project must be based in South Australia. Innovative investors, proven history supporting successful ventures, investment into innovations ecosystems, not eligible if investing in caves, franchise, retail, or real estate. Creative talents, awards or international acclaim, other global talents, case to case assessment. Important to note: no minimum investment threshold, but innovation and economic benefits are a must. Let's look at the eligibility criteria for New South Wales. New South Wales focuses on scalability and innovation. For entrepreneurs, businesses must have high growth potential, clearly defined innovation, and should contribute to New South Wales economy. For investors, must support innovative ecosystems. Passive investment is not accepted, not linked to the Business Innovation and Investment Program. Seven-stage application process includes an independent expert endorsement at stage 4. A nomination is not for passive investors, unproven or vague ideas, franchise or purchase of existing businesses. Eligibility criteria: State of Victoria. Individuals with internationally recognized talent must demonstrate clear benefits to Victoria's innovation ecosystem. Key requirements: referred by a Victorian government department or agency, show intent to live and work in Victoria. Applicants under 18 or over 55 must show exceptional benefit to Australia. Preferred fields: innovation and technology, commercialization, research and development, creative arts, and sports. Indicators of achievement include prestigious awards, research funding, global intellectual property, publications, and innovation leadership. Four-step process: get referred by a Victorian government agency. Agency prepares your nomination. Submit your expression of interest to the Department of Home Affairs. Await your invitation. States are seeking individuals who can make a measurable impact. Eligible profiles include researchers with patents or peer reviewed work, entrepreneurs launching high growth ventures, investors with proven innovation impact, creative professionals with international awards, elite athletes and coaches, other global talents with significant achievements. Now let's look at the nomination application process, your roadmap. Step 1: find a nominator, individual, organization, or a state agency. Step 2: submit expression of interest. Step 3: state review and nomination. Step 4: complete form 1000 for submission. Step 5: receive invitation and apply for visa. Do note, timelines vary, but state nominated applicants typically progress faster. If you're ready to bring your innovation, creativity, and leadership to Australia, don't let your application sit in a queue. State nomination could be your fast track to permanent residency. Need help navigating your eligibility? Talk to our expert migration team today. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, click the bell icon for weekly visa insights, and drop your questions in the comments. We'll answer them all. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.